In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email address from LinkedIn, find unlimited emails for your niche. Let's start with a clean, compliant approach that gives you high quality results. Begin by searching your niche on LinkedIn using terms like Shopify store owner or real estate agent. Apply filters to narrow it down by location, industry, and job title so you're only seeing the most relevant prospects. Open each profile and check the contact info section first, then scan the about section, and finally look at any featured links. People sometimes list a business email in those spots. This method takes time, but it's low volume and very high accuracy, which is ideal if you care about quality. If you need to scale, use email finder tools that connect with LinkedIn profiles and reveal business emails when available. Popular options include Apollo.io, Hunter.io, Snuv.io, and Lucia. Install the Chrome extension for your chosen tool, open a LinkedIn profile, click the extension, and if an email is available, it will appear. Save that lead into a list for easy tracking. These platforms rely on public data and reputable databases, not illegal scraping, which helps you stay compliant while growing your pipeline. To keep everything organized long term, build a lead list in a simple spreadsheet using Google Sheets or Excel. Create columns for name, company, LinkedIn URL, email, and status. Use the tools to fill in emails and keep your status column updated so you know who to contact next and who has replied. Always plan to verify emails before sending any outreach. Verification is crucial. Unverified emails lead to bounces, and high bounce rates can hurt your sender reputation fast. Run your list through services like NeverBounce or ZeroBounce to confirm deliverability. This small step protects your domain, improves inbox placement, and saves time on campaigns. Sometimes email isn't even necessary. A thoughtful LinkedIn connection with a short, personalized message, combined with engagement like commenting or liking relevant posts, can open doors quickly. This performs especially well for freelancers, virtual assistants, and social media managers who win work through relationships. A quick reality check: no legitimate tool provides truly unlimited emails. Most offer a small number of free credits and paid plans for scaling. Prioritize quality over quantity because personalized, verified outreach always outperforms mass blasts. If your goals are VA or SMM focused, target Shopify store owners, coaches and consultants, and small business founders. Collect a manageable 50 to 100 leads per day, add notes for personalization, and avoid spammy messaging. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.